big data company. Essentially, we use machine intelligence to solve some of the information challenges faced by academics and the industries surrounding the academic literature, like publishers or life science tools companies, for example.
Why do you think there is a need for something like this today?
So it's interesting that you asked that. So Meta was founded in 2010 by my brother and myself. And my brother was working as a cancer researcher at Princess Margaret Hospital. He'd been working on this paper for about 3 or 4 years. Went to publish and didn't know that 6 months earlier something almost identical had been published. So we started to look into some of the problems as to why, like how could this happen, right? And it turns out there's a fire hose of between 2,000 and 5,000 new papers that are published every day. It's totally impossible to keep abreast of what's going on, not just for academics but the surrounding industries as well. And so we asked the question, well, who's organizing and delivering this? And it turns out nobody is. So we saw a really unique opportunity to do something pretty interesting there.
You're also coming to this with a unique perspective because not only are you a co-founder, you're also a software engineer, so you understand what can be done. How has that helped you?
Well, interestingly enough, I'm a self-taught software engineer, so I think that my approach has been assuming that something is possible. And I think that's really helped. I think, naively at the beginning it seemed like a great idea to tackle this, and actually what's come out of the challenge is one of the world's largest knowledge graphs built on top of some of the most cutting-edge data science techniques like machine learning and natural language processing. So coming from a development background, it essentially just engaged my academic curiosity, I guess, and I just wanted to dive into a challenge this large. It seemed like a meaningful thing to dedicate some time to, for sure.
What about your strategy as far as your business model? How do you get people to pay for this?
Again, so we started by building this Meta, which is essentially the world's largest knowledge graph, and servicing just the academic community. But it turns out some of the stuff that we had built to serve that can also serve publishers. For example, we are able to predict with incredible accuracy the future impact of a paper. And so as a publisher, I can help my editors process by using that algorithm that we've created. Then you're looking at something like the pharmaceutical or life science tools industry. They're looking for meaningful insights into who's publishing with their tools and with their products. We can actually tell them that both historically and in real time. So, this knowledge graph that we've created, people can use it in all sorts of different ways, and essentially they just piggyback their needs on top of this core technology that we've created.